is going on, everybody? Welcome to Network King. I'm Derek, and today I'd like to cover file attributes. And we'll be keeping this video short today, considering I have to go to work in about 10 minutes. But also, file attributes, the concept is pretty straightforward and simple once you get it. Other than that, let's dive right in. ATTRIB for attribute. And if you want to go ahead and type the help command, which is /? Enter, and you're going to see this long list right here. So A, archive file attribute, basically if anything needs to be backed up. H, hidden file attribute. I would hope you know what that means. Basically hidden is you're not going to be able to see it on the Windows Explorer, the regular desktop file view, or within the directory. You know, when you type dir, it won't show it there. So dir, remember you type dir /A, that's what gives you all the hidden files. So back to an attribute, space, ? Hidden files are usually just to prevent people from deleting or modifying them, basically to protect you. You have read only, which is pretty straightforward. You can open it and view it, but you can't edit it or delete it. Then you have system files, that's everything that's needed about Windows to run, and so on and so on. So the real question is, how do we know which files have which attributes? And how do we add attributes? How to remove attributes? Well, we'll create a text file right now, and we'll go through that step by step. But before we continue, if you could hit that like button, go ahead and comment and share down below what you would like to see more of or less of. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Alright, let's go ahead and create a text file. First, we have to go into what's in here. See, I know it was in there. /desktop. Alright, text file is going to be echo delicious greater than bacon.txt. So if you type in dir, enter, you're going to see that now we have a file named bacon.txt, and it's 12 bytes long. So where are the attributes? We move into the directory where the file is located, and you type in ATTRIB, short for attribute. So you press enter. What this does is it tells it, show me the money. No, just kidding. Show me the attributes within the files of this directory. Now, if you don't remember what each of the attributes stand for, remember /? Gives you everything. So A is what most of them have. So A is going to be archive file, so for backup. And SH, well, what would you guys guess that's going to be? If you said H is for hidden, S is for system file, then you're right. So that's also system file, desktop.ini. Now this is bacon, that's A. That's an archive file. And if we want to add, so here's the bacon.txt, it's an archive, that's the only attribute it has at the moment. Let's say we want to add, make it hidden. So go back down here. We can type in ATTRIB, short for attribute. Right. Plus symbol, H. Now, whether it's capitalized or lowercase, doesn't matter. And what file name do you want to do it to? So, bacon.txt. Enter. Well, now let's type in attribute one more time to see if it actually applied. And what do you know? It's got an archive and a hidden file for bacon text. And if we look at the Windows desktop, we're going to see that there is no bacon file or anything anywhere. Now let's go back in here and unhide it. So attribute. Alright, we can just go up here and we'll -H. And let's see if it's showing now. Alright, so now the bacon file no longer has the hidden file or hidden attribute. Let's check our desktop. Hey, what do you know? Right here, there's bacon on my desktop. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If it was useful to you or helpful in any kind of way, please like, share, or comment down below. Remember that hands-on experience is key, so I recommend that you open up that Windows Command Prompt and follow along with me, step by step. If you'd like to learn more on how to use the Windows Command Prompt, go on to the next video in this tutorial. Until then, cheers.